Hello, awesome person. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I do subscription box unboxings, makeup try-ons, and occasionally I throw something else in to keep you on your toes. And today I wanted to just go ahead and play with my Trendy in Tokyo palette. I'm not sure if there is a tag going on or what is going on, but I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers do bold, bright colors, and I want to do it too. So that's what I think we'll do today. And plus I had my husband pick my palette, and he was like, "Your fourth one." And that just happened to be it. So I was like, what am I going to do? And I was like, I'll just copy everybody else. Okay, so this is the colors. And I went ahead and pre-swatched to cut down on some time. So let's see. This light pink is Blossom, then Trend Setting, Lively, Fortunate, Anime, Fashion, Bamboo, Electric, and then Emoji, Sushi, Wasabi, Sake, Mount Fuji, Karaoke, I think it's Tempura, and Kyoto. I'm just guessing, I'm not from Tokyo. All right, so I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids, so that way I can just get right in here. And I think that the first thing I'm going to do is take this color Blossom and just like put up here, and then the rest of the colors will go below that I'm going to use. And I'm just going to stamp it on, because you have to with BH Cosmetics, at least I do. If not, I have a problem with them blending. So, if any of you have BH Cosmetics palettes, because I have 3 of them, and they're all the same way, but this Trendy in Tokyo palette, out of the ones I have, is the easiest to use. So, I'm kind of lucky. That's the color that my husband picked. Can you see that? Barely. That's what I was going for. Okay, so after that, I think I'm going to go in with Karaoke, which is that bright yellow. I'm going to do this a little differently than I normally would. Normally start at the back of my eye and work my way in. Today, I'm going to start with the inner part of my eye and work my way out, just because I want to make sure I can get all these colors that I want to use on my eye today. So, do any of you guys have BH Cosmetics palettes? And what do you think of their formula? Then I want to use that bamboo color. Nope, that's over here. That. Oh, good. That looks green on the eye too. Just want to make sure that it's going to stay. And then I ain't even going to blend any of it yet. I'm going to do that when I'm finished. Then I want to use that electric color, which is that one right there. This is going to be very, very colorful. Very bright, almost like a rainbow, I guess. Uh-oh, it's not wanting to do what I want it to do. Well, it happens, especially with this palette. I also find the formula a little patchy. It does have a lot of fallout in the pan. A little bit on the face. If you don't use primer though, it does not like to stick, at least for me. And it is very hard to blend. So if you've never bought a BH Cosmetics palette, then keep that in mind if you do. And then the last color that I'm going to use is Kyoto. This, I think, is going to be my prettiest color. But we'll see. We will see. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So, do any of you like to go and do bold makeup looks that you normally wouldn't do? Or do you shy away from color and stick to naturals or neutrals? Which, either way, is fine. I just would like more people to comment on my videos. So this is the fallout that I was telling you about on the pan. Can you see up close how it falls out? I just kind of blow it off and call it good. Okay, so I want to take this brush and brush off all of that. Okay, and then I want to get, maybe this brush right here. Then I'm going to go backwards and put the bottom colors from the top on the bottom. So the first one will be Kyoto. I'm going to go down here. That. Just a little bit, because just want to give it enough color that you can see. Remember, I'm kind of copying some of the other YouTubers, so that's what they're doing. Guess you could do more. Then I'm going to go in with electric. Put that next to it. Right like that. And then the bamboo. And then the karaoke. And take that out like that. And then after your eyes are done, then you take a blendy brush and you just slightly blend that like that. And then come up here. And blend that to the top. That's why I put the pink in, so it would have something to blend into, but it wouldn't be too bright to steal the glory, if that makes sense. Okay, so after you blend everything in, then you're going to do the rest of your eyes. So you all know what that means. I'm going to pause you, and I'll be right back. So I finished off with my face. I did a very simple look. I just went ahead and used my Wander Beauty mascara, Mile High, my Tarte C Surfer Curl mascara, my NARS blush. And I don't know what the name is. That's why I usually just show you the color, but that is the name in case anybody is interested. And then I topped my lips off with my Laurel Lee Naughty and Nice Matte Liquid Lip. Oh, I'm gonna be so sad when this runs out. Alrighty, y'all. That's what I came up with for today. Let me know down in the comments what you think. And don't forget, October 1st is right around the corner, and my collab video with Johana Maysonet and Gracefully Cheryl will be posting October 1st. Still not sure of the time, so we may just surprise you. You may just have to be like, when are they going to do it? I don't know. I can't get a direct answer. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.